Hey guys, it's Brandon with Affordable Security Locksmith and Alarm Company. Are you looking for a replacement lock for your mailbox? We also do that. If you need your key replaced, we do that too. We also work on the boxes themselves. If you need that service today, give us a call and we'll get it taken care of for you. Once again, it's Brandon with Affordable Security Locksmith and Alarm Company, and we're here to service you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week in Yuma, Arizona. Hope you guys have an awesome day now.